Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn about a software application SketchUp Make, which is used to create drawing and sketches in a professional and presentable manner. SketchUp lets you to create models of 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional. So in this video we will discuss about what are the shapes 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional, and we are going to do installation part. So how to install the software. So let's start. SketchUp Make is a software application which is used to create 2D and 3D models. It allows you to create models of different objects or places such as school, house, furniture, building, or anything you might be interested in. Before designing in a SketchUp, we need to understand the concept of 2D versus 3D. Two-dimensional have length and height, and it works in XY axis. It has shapes like circle, triangle, squares, rectangle and pentagon. Whereas in 3D, it have length, height and width. It works in X, Y and Z axis. It have shapes like cylinder, pyramid, cube, prisms. I hope difference between 2D and 3D is clear. Now let's start to use the SketchUp. First step is how to install the SketchUp. So here it is. To install the SketchUp Make software application, firstly you need to click on the browser. Open the Google search engine. Now search here SketchUp Make for the relevant operating system you are using. SketchUp Make download for Windows 7, 10, 13, whatever you are using, search accordingly. Okay, and now download SketchUp Make for PC. So from here, click on the download option and close the unnecessary dialog box. Downloading process will be start. If the download doesn't start automatically, click here. So it will download the exe file, executable file. It will take some time in downloading depending upon your network speed. So as it is downloading yet, close the unnecessary dialog box. And now it is extracting the installer. So it is SketchUp Make installer. Whenever you are downloading any software, you need to be patient because it totally depends upon your internet speed. So it will take time. So as it will ask for the Visual C++ runtime libraries. Click on install. It is SketchUp Make 2017 64-bit setup and installing the Visual C++ runtime libraries. These are the supportable files you needed to run the software. It will take some time. As you can see, the green line is showing the process is going on. Now window installer is preparing to install. So this is the setup. Click on the next. If you want to change the setup location, you can change. Otherwise, click on OK. Install. So now it is installing the SketchUp Make setup. Process is halt. So you can check your internet connection whether it's working or not. So as I can see, my internet get disconnected. So you can restart it. You can reconnect it. Once disconnect and again connect. If you reconnect the network, then if there is any halt in the process, it will get resumed soon. Okay, so as you can see, process is going on now fast. It's copying new files. It will again take some time. Green line is moving, so as you can see, our process not halt. It's going, but it's taking time. So as you can see, there is 3 icon on your screen: SketchUp, SketchUp Builder and Layout. Click on Finish. So as the software is installed, there is 3 icon on the screen. Click on the SketchUp. Your software is successfully installed. Just click on the I agree to the SketchUp license agreement. Click here and then continue. You will see the screen like this. So this is the welcome screen. Welcome to SketchUp. Whenever start using SketchUp, you need to select a template. Click on the simple template and then start using SketchUp. So this is the installation part. We will learn further concept and further tools in the next video. Okay? Thank you.